Guys, I am back with another YouTube video. And I just got up, as you probably would know. So I don't know what we're gonna do. So we're just gonna we're just gonna do something with Jack here.
You're gonna rip the curtain down.
I'm not gonna rip the curtain down.
Kai!
Kale, shut up. They're your kids. Why don't you go outside and play?
Guys, I have an excuse.
Nobody's going outside. They're leaving here in a few minutes.
Yeah,
You can tell
Kai.
them that, you idiot.
You.
They're not my friends.
Well, now they are. And as you guys can see, this is horrible lighting. This is my camp because I was watching Hello Twins Dragon. Don't judge me, okay? I'm so ready for How to Train Your Dragon Part 2 to come out, okay, guys? So, don't. So, yeah, just be checking out some people doing nothing. Guys. What the heck? Oh God, this is really hard. When you have the camera, you have to move it. Banana, banana, banana. So, we got the fireplace. We're gonna be basically showing you around my house. We have a fireplace back there. Probably can't see. Kitchen, pictures, and crap. Then, Grandpa, half deaf, and couch, TV, another couch right there. You guys don't know what I'm talking about. So, I don't know what we're going to be doing today, guys. Oh, God. Oh, God. Well, we're going on a favorite blanket. That was terrifying. Oh God, you can't even see anything. Let's see if we can take a peek outside. We gotta take a peek outside. It's what nature's best doing is. Whoa, a front yard. Bang. Oh, good, guys. Okay. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little short video. Jack, stop eating the kitty's food! He thinks he can get away without being seen. He is such a thief. Poor kitty. No, he has no food. Okay, guys, so yeah, I should be ending the video here. So, yeah, peace.